Hey everybody, welcome to the shop. Today I've just got a quick video on a very important repair that people should know how to do, which is replacing the corks on your mutes. Let's jump into it. So first things first, we need to remove the old adhesive with some abrasive. I try using a Scotch-Brite pad at first, but this is a little bit too light and doesn't get all of it off, or it would actually take too long. So here I switch to some heavier duty sandpaper. I think it's about 220 grit. Now obviously these scratch lines will be going in the wrong direction compared to everything else on the mute, but after I go back over it with a Scotch-Brite pad, everything will look smooth and uniform like it did before. I'm taking some time to make sure that the entire mute gets a fresh set of scratch lines going in the same direction. So I'm using the Scotch-Brite pad on the bottom face of the mute. Now there was a bunch of grit on this mute after all of the sandpaper, so I took some goof off and removed the grit with a paper towel. As you can see, there are no vertical scratch lines visible. I wipe off any more residue that was on the mute from my gloves, and now I'm going to prepare the corks with some adhesive. This is a type of contact adhesive, meaning that when I let it dry after applying it to both surfaces, it will bond together very strongly. It's important to use this type of adhesive because the cork material is so porous it will absorb most other adhesives and not actually have very much sticking capability to the metal. As that's starting to dry, I am taking some measurements of the corks so that I can make sure on the mute they all line up and fit inside the trumpet belt properly. Now that I've got that small line scribed, I apply the adhesive to the metal, and this needs to dry as well, though for less time. While we wait for this to dry, let's just take a listen to Chris Hogan on the ukulele. Now that that first layer of adhesive has had a chance to dry, it's absorbed into the porous cork material a bit, so I take some more adhesive and apply it here. Now I take the cork and place it on the same spots that they were before with the adhesive, using the zip tie to have some light pressure while this sets overnight. And that's the video. I think this is a very achievable repair that anyone can do. As always, if you've got questions, I'll answer them in the comments. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button. And in the meantime, if you'd like to know when I post more videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for stopping by the shop.